Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is moving in this particular range. Okay, and the importance of this range, you have to understand the first high is there, after that the second high. If it would have sustained above a level of around 2,384 dollars, again what we can see, then there is a probability that it will move out of this zone, which is being after 5 weeks. So probability will be high it can cross a level of 2,400, and a probability will be high it can cross this level also and then make a new high also. There is a probability in this situation. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, overall trend is on a higher side. Okay, if we go on 2023, what we have seen that it is trying to go higher, but as soon as it made a high, this resistance which is already being a resistance which is being tested. So what it does, that this is the high and this resistance being tested once, but it made around $7 to $8 high, and then after a profit booking has come at this level. But when I have told you at this level that there will be higher chances because clear pattern was forming towards an upside, so it made a new high. After that it came down, and then there is a continuous upside because there is a clear pattern forming. If you go and see from 2012, okay, this the bigger pattern is from 2012 to 2020. Okay, and then these are smaller patterns from 2 years, 8 months, okay, all these years. Okay, now probability will be very high. We can see if the price keep moving above this level, a further upside movement we can see. But you have to consider dollar index also, that when the price of dollar index, see the dollar index in inversely related with the price, see the dollar index in inversely related with the price of gold. Okay, but sometime what they do, they moves in the same direction, but mostly it doesn't happen. But when the dollar index started going higher, we have seen the gold price comes down. Okay, in the similar way, when the dollar index started going down, we said the gold price comes up. Okay, so you have to understand this. Now the price is continuously on the, if you go on a day wise chart, this is continuously on the downside. So if it started sustaining again above a level of 105.8, a further upside movement we can see. Going on a weekly chart, you will understand how the price is moving. For this week there is a continuous fall, so if the price, there is a higher chances that it will go above a level of $106.5, and then a fall we can see, because at these levels, because this clear pattern suggesting that if the price sustain above this level, it can touch at this level and after that it can come down. Okay, but if the price started falling below a level of around $105, then only we can see there will be a probability of going further down. Okay, otherwise there is a continuous upside we can see if the price keep moving above a level of $105.5. Okay, and then a probability of crossing 106.5 will be there, as I've already explained you. Okay, so keep that in mind. As soon as the price started going below 105, a probability of touching 104.5 will be there, and then to a level of 104. Okay, now going back on the gold chart, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, a probability is very high it can touch a level of $2,364. This 2364 is already being tested here, so chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards 2370. Okay, if the price keep moving above this level, a probability of going towards 2378 is there, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards 2388. Okay, and once the price moving above that particular level, this $2388 is also being tested, so chances are high it will cross that level and it will go above a level of 2400, and chances of touching 2419 will be there, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $2422. Okay, keep that in mind that as soon as the price started going above this level 2422, it will touch its first term high of around $2433, and if that sustain, we can see it will go towards a level of $2452. This $2452 is already being a high level, so we can see a bounce back can come or it can move further down, and if it's to make a new high, keep trailing by $10 so that you can capture the bigger movement. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, see, as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain, so you have to understand, looking at this chart, that if the price is not moving as per you, always try to set your SL. Setting your SL, as soon as you open the trade, try to set the SL so that your capital can be saved. And once you start in profit, always try to trail your profit. If you're trailing your profit, you will save the profit. This is the important thing that you have to do. Okay, now suppose what we can see, if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around $2, 3, 4, 5, and if the price moving below this level, we can see a level of 2339. Okay, if the price moving below that particular zone, chances of going towards 2319 will be there. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of 2307 after moving below a level of 2319. Okay, again I repeat, if the price started falling below 2319, we can see a level of 2307, and then it will move below a level of 2300. Okay, so touch a level of 2294, and then it will move below a level of around $22.81. This $22.81 is already being a weak support, so chances are it will cross that level and it will go towards 22.78, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 22.35 and then further low. Okay, and if that started going further down, we will see it will go towards a level of $222 and then a further fall we can see. So probability of moving further low will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.